2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha cha cha. Skabang gadum. All right. It's okay. You're good. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Come on. Try to one more, and then we're gonna do with the music. Get up, so one count.
5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey.
I got more active. Okay, let's go. Ninja on the bass. All right, now let's go with the music. Give it up for our DJ Jericho in the building. Jericho pull up some capoeira pants today. Jericho, wanna let his hair down and let's do some capoeira ladies. All right, so my people now. The first hour, okay, so the first hour, don't feel the pressure, you know I'm talking about, to go there and pay for it, all right? First hour, we just practice Kizomba and Samba, okay? Remember, around 11 o'clock to midnight, you know I'm talking about, that's when the compa hour start, you know, because due the fact that we live in Montreal, okay, and we all Haitian. Right? Yeah. If you're not Haitian, you have a Haitian friend, all right? And do that, yeah, I'm going to say it myself, right? So around 11 o'clock, 11 to 11:30, we play a lot of mix between Zouk and compa, songs that you already know and recognize. It's not to say, oh yeah, it's a Kizomba night. No, Kizomba is a party. Kizomba is a party where the dancers, Zouk, Samba, compa, kuduro, all these things are involved, okay? So the party involves also those that don't think, oh yeah, and you don't have to always do compa. You can also do a little part of Kizomba, but don't disrespect the dance too, you know? You gotta also respect compa. It's not because we know how to dance Kizomba that you're gonna do your steps like compa is playing. Respect the beat, alright? Try to find the difference in between the steps so that way, you know, nobody goes to the hospital with missing eye, okay? Some people, muchas gracias. We got DJ Jerry up in the building.